Welcome to Competitive Quiz Arena. In today's video, you will get 40 smart GK questions. Each correct answer gives you 1 mark. So don't forget to count your score till the end. Let's see how strong is your knowledge. Which country has a hotel that floats permanently on water without anchors? Answer option D, Finland. Which animal can hold its breath the longest underwater naturally? Answer option B, elephant seal. What is the name of the smell that comes after rain? Answer option B, petrichor. Which country has a road that plays music when driven over at the correct speed? Answer option A, Japan. Which part of the human body has no blood supply? Answer option A, cornea. Which planet has ice made of methane? Answer option B, Neptune. Which country has pink sand beaches? Answer option A, Bahamas. Which animal never drinks water directly? Answer option A, kangaroo rat. Which metal can melt in your hand? Answer option C, gallium. Which language has its own whistled version used for communication? Answer option C, Spanish. Which country has a door to hell natural gas crater? Answer option B, Turkmenistan. Which organ produces insulin? Answer option C, pancreas. Which insect has been to space and survived? Answer option B, cockroach. Which sea has the highest salinity? Answer option B, Dead Sea. Which animal has blue blood? Answer option C, octopus. Which country has the longest straight road in the world? Answer option A, Australia. Which human emotion is processed fastest by the brain? Answer option B, fear. Which country celebrates a festival where monkeys are fed in large numbers? Answer option C, Thailand. Which natural material is stronger than steel by weight? Answer option A, spider silk. Which planet has rings made mainly of ice? Answer option C, Saturn. Which country has a village with house painted completely blue? Answer option A, Morocco. Which part of the brain is active during dreams? Answer option D, pons. Which food was once used as currency? Answer option C, cocoa beans. Which animal can sleep while standing? Answer option A, horse. Which country has underground wine cities? Answer option C, Georgia. Which gas makes the human voice change when inhaled? Answer option C, helium. Which ocean has the largest waves ever recorded? Answer option D, southern. Which human bone is strongest by weight? Answer option A, femur. Which country has a museum entirely underwater? Answer option C, Mexico. Which animal has rectangular pupils? Answer option A, goat. Which planet has the coldest recorded temperature? Answer option B, Uranus. Which fruit floats in water? Answer option A, apple. Which country has a postal system that delivers mail by boat? Answer option B, Netherlands. Which sense is most closely linked to memory? Answer option C, smell. Which animal can survive without its head for days? Answer option B, cockroach. Which substance is used to make non-stick cookware? Answer option B, Teflon. Which country has a talking drum tradition? Answer option A, Ghana. Which planet has the largest volcano in the solar system? Answer option C, Mars. Which animal has the largest eyes relative to body size? Answer option B, Tarsier. Which country has a national park inside a cave system? Answer option B, Vietnam. Count your total score out of 30 and see where you stand. Now comment your score below and let others know your level. If you enjoyed this quiz, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Competitive Quiz Arena for daily unique GK challenges. Thank you.